Welcome to the day 4 of my guitar tutorials. This is a tutorial for guitar lessons for beginners that is designed to help you to learn how to play the guitar in 14 days. If you are ready for this, let's go. This is already the day 4. If you are interested in seeing the previous ones in which we have learned already 3 major keys, that is key C major, key F major, and key G major, there is a link here that shows you the playlist of all these so that you can gain that and then play that and learn how to do that. This is day 4, and today we are going to learn how to play the key E major. Okay, let's get right into that. This is our finger number 1, 2, 3, 4. As usual, this is not counting, easy to hold. Now, this our finger number 1 is going to hold the string number 3 behind the very first fret. Okay, when we have hold it this way, just like our diagram has indicated, and then we are going to use this number 2 finger to hold the string number 5 behind the second fret, and also our finger number 3 is going to hold the string number 4 the same time or the same place behind the second fret. So we only have it this way. It becomes 1, 2, 3, just like we have there 1, 2, 3. Okay, when you have it this way, you play all the strings because as you can see, number 1, 2, string number 1, 2, and then number 6, they are all open strings. So we play. What a pleasant sound. Okay, so with this we have learned the 4th chord of the 7 major chords we have on the guitar. So remember, the first one is key C, the second one is key F, the third one is key G, and then this is the 4th one, which is key E. So this is one of your foundation, one of your building blocks that you will need. Make sure you learn it very well, and I have a chord chart that is in the description of this video as usual that you can download and let it be your guide so that you can even practice the one that we are going to learn tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to learn the key of D major. Join me same time, same place tomorrow. I still remain FadaBarto. See you next time. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel if you are new. And then if you have any question or any comment, please drop it in the comment section. If you are new and you're just subscribed, make sure you click on the notification bell on the button so that you'll be able to get our notification whenever we drop our next video on this. See you next time. God bless you.